mocha friends, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, I will be doing a review on Betterlength clip-ins. I'm in partnership with Betterlength Hair, doing a collaboration with Betterlength Hair, and I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. It's my first collaboration, so I'm so excited. But if you're unfamiliar with Betterlength Hair, they specialize in texture kinky curly clip-ins, basically designed to be a true perfect match for us natural girls, to match our natural curly hair. Isn't that crazy? I've seen Betterlength Hair. I've seen my friends use it. I've seen other people use it. And I've never came around to use their hair. So I was so excited when they reached out to me via email to work with them. And I can't wait to try this out. I know it's going to match so perfectly with my hair. So also, if you are looking to get this hair, they have so many other textures on their website. They have Afro kinky curly hair. They have coily, yaki hair. So any of your textures that you feel like you want to try out, they have it all. And their link in their website will be in my description below, so make sure you check that out. So what I selected for my hair texture type, I selected 3B to 3C kinky curly hair. I felt like that would be more of a true match for myself, so I got the 16-inch Betterlength hair here. So let's open this. Okay. So I have this here, and it comes with 10 pieces on this row. 10 pieces basically will fill your whole head. So it's designed to fill your whole head and basically designed to be a true match for your hair. So I was originally going to stick to the 3C to 4A kinky curly hair, but I feel like this will be more of a true match for myself. I mean, it looks kind of dry right now because I just washed it and everything, but I feel like this will be more of a true match for my hair. What y'all think? So I can't wait to try this out. I am so excited, guys. Like I said, this is what I tried. This is 16-inch 3B to 3C kinky curly hair. And like I said, the description will be below for other texture types that they do have on their website. So let's get, and also it comes with extra clip-ins and a needle and string if some of your clip-ins come out. And also what comes with the bag as well, Betterlength Hair, their Instagram and Facebook to follow. And it also comes with instructions for everything, what you have to do. Step 1, wash the hair, also unbanding everything. So I thought that was so cool to show you exactly what to do. And it also recommends to not sleep in them. I know we get super lazy, but do not sleep in them. Okay, but that is what it is. So let's get started. So as you guys can see here, I have transitioned to the bathroom. I just wanted to show you guys a little clip of what I'm doing before installing these clip-ins in my hair. And just to show you a little clip as well, that this is one bundle of hair. And one bundle of hair comes with 10 pieces, which is designed to cover your whole head and give you that volume that you're looking for. So if you do want this hair, one bundle is perfect. Also, too, per instructions, as you can see here, I am washing the clip-ins and I'm only using Tresemme conditioner just so that the hair can be super soft. Okay, guys, so as you saw in my last clip, I showed you guys a little bit of what I was doing, prepping my clip-ins before installing my hair. And when I say prep, per instructions, it says to wash the hair before installing the clip-ins in your hair. So that's what I did. So now what I'm going to do is basically kind of wet my hair a little bit. As you guys can see here, I've already parted my hair so that it'll be easy to place the clip-in in my hair. Usually when I do install clip-ins in my hair, I've had my hair half braided and then leave a little bit of my hair out at the top, because sometimes a lot of clip-ins does not match with my hair. But because Betterlength Hair is specialized in texture kinky curly hair and it's a true match with your texture hair, I am leaving my hair out because I really want to see how well this hair will blend with my hair. It's supposed to be a perfect match for natural hair and for your texture hair. So as you can see here, I have my part of my hair out and I'm going to see how it works. So I just want to stop for a second just to show you guys. So this is my hair right here, and I'm just gonna show you that this is my hair right here, and then this is the clip in here, and that matches to a T. At first, like I told you guys earlier, I wanted to try out the 3C to 4A Afro Kinky Curly, but this is actually matching pretty good with my hair. I'm excited. Also, guys, I forgot to mention that the product that you see that I'm applying throughout my hair, well, my leave out part, is from Miss Jessie's Mochacurlss. And I just wanted to apply this to my hair so that when I do install the clip-in, since I am leaving my hair out, so that it can be a perfect match and my hair will not be frizzy. Because if I don't put any product in my hair, y'all. As you guys can see here, I'm starting to twist my hair, so I'm going to twist my hair and the clip-in hair together so that it can blend perfectly together. I was starting to see my hair was frizzing up a little bit, so I just wanted to twist it and comb everything out together so that when I do take it out, it will be perfect. So I can't wait for you guys to see the results. Okay guys, so this is the final results of my hair after installing all of the clip-ins in my hair. And yes, I use all of the 10 pieces of the clip-ins in my hair. So as I mentioned earlier, it comes with one bundle with 10 pieces of clip-ins, and it fills my whole head. And as you can see, it's so much volume. But the one thing that I do love about this hair, and I'm not just saying that because I'm in partnership with Betterlength hair, I love how it is a true match. Like the texture and everything is just blended so perfectly together. And I see why they are specialized in making kinky curly hair for us natural girls, because it is definitely a true match. Like you cannot tell me this is not my real hair. Like I will walk out the house and if somebody say I like your hair, I'm like, thank you. So thank you so much, Betterlength Hair, for sending this hair to me and reviewing this hair. I absolutely love it. This is my honest review. This looks so good together. I really do love it. And ladies, if you do love this hair, this is the 3B to 3C kinky curly hair. It's the natural color 16-inch, and the description will be in the link will be in the description box below. And if you're interested in buying, the website will be in the description box as well. So go out and get it, girls. It's so cute. I'm so obsessed. Like, I'm not taking out. I'm gonna go to sleep with it. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. But honest review, I do love this hair. It's so cute. It's so bouncy. It's full of life. I wish my natural hair was like this. But anyways, I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.